Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And I'm back at my pottery wheel and I'm going to rethink one of the rounds that I did yesterday. And I'm going to put some Artist Loft pre-mixed, ready mixed pouring paint. I kind of like the way one of them came out. So I'm going to try and recreate this, but in a different way. So I'm going to add in some yellow this time, and I don't have any Artist Loft yellow pre-mixed paints. So let me just start by adding a little white to the middle. And this is not the Artist Loft white either. This is titanium white mixed with teaser pearl white. And if I'm not mistaken, then I had some blue around this. I'm gonna just start my pottery wheel. Whoops. Start it going a little bit. Keep turning around. Gonna add in some little extra blue here. I think I like the way it moves in when while it's spinning. So do that. And then the Artist Loft orange. Because I did want, wait, I think I want to put the yellow and then the orange. Okay, yellow, and then I'm going to put the orange. Okay, so I'm going to stop that now and just going to move that around to get that close together. And I am going to get my torch. There does seem to be a lot of bubbles for some reason in these paints. Which there shouldn't be because I didn't even mix up the bottles, but that's okay. All right, so now I know I played around with this yesterday like this, and I'm gonna play like I'm making a little sun in here. Not a flower. Okay. And this is what I started to do. I left the paint on because I wanted that outer paint to go on the inside. Or I wanted that inner paint to go on the outside, rather. So remember, we're not making a flower here. I'm kind of making a sun. And I want my middle to get wonky and weird, and then I want my outside to get all flary. This is what I did yesterday, and it really looked beautiful when I spun this out on the pottery wheel. Okay, so I am going to give this a go right now. Gave that a go a little too much. But I think I got the idea. I did get the idea, and I am kind of liking what I got here. Think about that. I think I like that. So I like this one. I'm going to give it a go with another one, and I'll be returning in 1 second. You will get a close-up of this in a moment.